We are busy today in Delano. You need to come, Polk County, I tell you all the time. We got corn, okra, tomatoes, more garlic. What's down here? Cookies. More molasses, peppers. I'm gonna do pickled okra. We're gonna be making hot tomatoes and all kinds of different things coming up. So we're gonna go around. Let's see if this cow, this milk cow that I love, right around the corner, I follow her. I love her. She looks just like Miss Belle. And the last time we were here, about a month ago, was it? Yeah. It looked like she was in labor the day we were here. Let's go find out. I don't know. And we've seen some great followers and friends of AH. They even came to the Great Appalachian Homesteading Conference. Good to see ya. Good to see ya. All right, let's get moving. Let's get going. So here's the deal. You see those little children back there? Priscilla and Tabitha. They're not allowed to be filmed and they're not allowed to have really photos taken. They know they get filmed from afar, but anyway, so they were walking up the road here, as you saw, and I got out because I'm trying to check this farm for the cow. And I told the little girl, I said, she said, are you okay? She's just talking. And I said, yes. I said, but I'm looking for this cow. I said, do you know if she had a calf? And she said, yes, it did, but the mama died. So, everybody's passing. So, anyway, I was explaining to her, she was like, I don't know why it died.
We have to meet you.
Somebody knows me. You're caught. So I don't know where I was in my story. We just met some wonderful people from Georgia. Nice to meet you, Angela and Hayden and Corey. So we've come further up the road with a little bit more footage, but I'm so bummed. But here we are. Even with all the beauty and all the abundance, reality happens on a farm and on a homestead, even in a well-equipped Mennonite community, okay? So we're furthering our journey. And I was talking to those two young girls, and the oldest one was a chatterbox, which was wonderful, but I did not film because that's a no-no, and we don't want to disrespect anybody in the community. So, but it was lovely talking to her. They were sweethearts, very welcoming. But nonetheless, so we're continuing to show you more up here. We'll get some more footage, and I'm ready to eat. Let's get some country cooking going, right? Amen. Well, hello, sweetheart. Are you gonna come visit? Yeah. Hello, sweetheart. You sure are pretty. if y'all had a nickel for every time you've seen a picture of me or a video of me at the farmhouse in Etowah. Grassroots, baby. Y'all be some pretty wealthy people out there in YouTube land. Let's go in and see what they've got today. I hope they have their chicken and dressing or chicken and dumplings, sweet potato casserole, fried okra, peaches, cucumber salad, cornbread, sweet tea with extra lemon, and maybe a little banana pudding on at the end, or maybe coconut cream pie. How does that sound? I think it sounds pretty doggone good. Oh Lord, let's look what we got. Chicken and dressing, cube steak, beans and wieners with, kraut wieners. There's your other side you can pick from. Sliced tomatoes, I'm gonna have peaches, y'all. You know I always get peaches. White beans, and they've got sweet potato casserole. My life is good today. Absolutely.
And this is a little too hot to